Hi everyone, welcome to Southern Delight. This is Debbie here. Like I promised, I had one more wreath to show you for New Year's, and I am going full blast tonight. We've got a New Year's Eve party, and I am running around frantic trying to get ready for this party, and I needed a quick decoration to go with my decor. I told you I was using the traditional decor, which is the gold, black, and silver for New Year's. As you can see, I still have some of my Christmas up here in the living room. I hadn't pulled that up yet. But for this decor, I've got probably about 5 minutes to do this craft, so I can go ahead and get cooking and get ready for my guests. But I wanted to show you what I got here. I did the basic black mesh wreath. Again, I'll point you back to that playlist that I have where I show you how to make just a basic mesh wreath. Only thing here is I used the 10-inch black, just swapped it out here and then made one of those basic wreaths. Those masks that I showed you in the last video, well, I had two that were my favorites. The Dollar Tree had this one here, which is the leopard, which is absolutely beautiful and one of my favorites. And they also have the gold. That was also another pretty one. This is some ribbon that I had left over. It's in the gold and kind of a cream color. And what I did was make a bow with it. Also down in my playlist I have how to make a bow for a fall wreath. And this wreath right here, the back part of it came from the Dollar Tree. It's one of those Dollar Tree wreaths. So all I did was made a basic black mesh wreath. I made a bow. I'm going to be putting this right there on it. And I think I'm going to use the gold here. I'm going to put it right there. And I'm going to assemble this and I'll be right back and I'll show you what the final product looks like. Like I said, it only takes about 5 minutes and $5. So these are some really great crafts that you can do for like parties and so forth. They're just really easy and fun and inexpensive. I'll be right back to show you the end. I've added this little piece right here, which is 10-inch mesh in gold and 10-inch mesh in silver, and then I just stretched it out to 10 inches and cut it and rolled it up. I have 2 gold and 1 silver and just made a little bundle, and I'm going to add this to my wreath also. Alright everyone, there you have it. There is my New Year's wreath right there. And I added that special twist like I said I was going to do. I put some lights in it. And I also added that little bundle in there with the gold and silver. I'll show you this. But there it is. I hope you all have a happy new year. See you in 2020.